धमाकेदार एपिसोड के साथ मैं हाजिर हूँ जी कनेक्ट सीजन 5 लेकर। इस बार हम लाए हैं आपके लिए नवरात्रि की लहर, जहां पे हम फीचर करेंगे ऑल द फेस्टिविटीज हैपनिंग इन द सिटी दैट डिफाई ऑल ज्योग्राफिकल बाउंड्रीज। टुडे वी आर एट द ओबरॉय बिजनेस बे, और अगर कोई भी कहे कि मैं फेस्टिवल्स के समय इंडिया को बहुत मिस करता हूँ, तो आई वुड टेल देम कि दुबई के कोनों कोनों में आपने ठीक से नहीं झांका है। वेल, बिफोर वी हेड टू नवरात्रि स्पेशल, लेट्स चेक व्हाट्स ट्रेंडिंग ऑन द सोशल मीडिया इन आवर सेक्शन व्हाट्स बजिंग।
If any story in the social media gets over 1 million hits in just one day, it definitely has to be a part of What's Buzzing. Shah Rukh and Kajol are currently filming Rohit Shetty's Dilwale, and the team paid a special tribute to mark this day with a video wherein Raj and Simran effortlessly recreate the same magic which they had on 20th October 1995. Twitter is abuzz under hashtag 20 years of DDLJ, and if you have some fond memories of those times, share them on Twitter.
पता है आज कौन सा दिन है?
मंडे?
नो, आज 20 साल पूरे हो गए।
ओह, तुम 20 साल की हो? हैप्पी बर्थडे।
आज तुम्हारे सबसे बड़ी पिक्चर की 20 साल पूरे हो गए।
मेरी तो सभी फिल्में बड़ी। तुम किस फिल्म की बात कर रही?
वही जिसने तुम्हारी जिंदगी बदल दी।
दिल तो पागल है, लेकिन उसमें तो तुम नहीं थी। नहीं।
I'm not talking to you.
No, please talk to me.
No, I'm not.
No, please talk to me.
No, I'm not
Please,
talking
please,
to you.
please. Okay. राज, अगर ये 20 साल बाद भी तुझे प्यार करती है, तो ये पलट कर जरूर देखेगी। पलट। I'm joking, Kajol. I remember. ये वही फिल्म की बात कर रही हो ना, जिसमें लास्ट सीन में instead of getting into the compartment behind, तुम हाथ फैला के मेरे पीछे पीछे भागे जा रही हो।
And what about you? तुम भी चेन खींचे ट्रेन रोक सकते थे ना। Instead you're making me run like a mad woman behind you.
अरे मैंने तो हाथ दिया एटलीस्ट। बाकी लोगों को देखा था जो कंपार्टमेंट में थे, किसी के कान पे जूं तक नहीं रंगी थी। ना किसी ने हाथ दिया, ना किसी ने चेन पुल की। एंड सब 20 साल से मुझसे यही पूछते रहते हैं कि ऐसा डायरेक्टर ने क्यों किया? Why this happened? Why? And nobody knows why it happened.
Across India on the 19th of October, we had cricket fans paying tribute to the Indian cricket legend Virendra Sehwag when he announced his retirement. Hashtag Thank You Sehwag was trending, with loads of cricket fans pouring in with their messages for the Nawab of Najafgarh when he was retiring from cricket.
हम सब जानते हैं कि नवरात्रि is a festival about the worship of the 9 forms of Devi as per Hindu tradition. Recently, International Modern Hospital, coincidentally around the same time, held an event that focused on women empowerment. Let's take you there.
Being a woman is challenging by itself, but not if you're living in the UAE and having a support from the great leaders of the UAE. And women can do anything, and they can, they have faith in themselves. They can achieve anything they want. Especially in the UAE now, we are actually very blessed to be in this country where woman is given utmost importance and a lot of priority. So, as a woman living in Dubai, UAE, I'm actually very honored and blessed to be here. So I feel that we have greater responsibility where we will be able to put it up with everybody else as well, that we must make sure that everybody is given equality, especially women.
The International Modern Hospital has always been on the forefront of giving importance to women and women's health. And in this light, whenever there is an initiative, either as a WHO initiative or a health initiative by the UAE government, we take the lead in supporting these programs and having programs wherever possible and where we feel that we can spread health awareness about women's health. We take a step ahead and go out of the way to strengthen such a move by the government.
Time for a quick break, but when we come back, we have a lot more stories lined up for you. Meanwhile, we leave you with a glimpse of the legendary cricketers Sachin Tendulkar and Wasim Akram, who were in Dubai for the event Cricket and Beyond. Take a look while we take a quick short break. While it might be an Indian festival, Navratri Dubai में भी बड़ी जोरों शोरों से मनाया जाता है. We happened to visit some of the locations where the celebrations were on, and we have to say कि सबसे ज़्यादा चार चांद वहाँ लगी थी जहाँ पे Dandiya Queen Falguni Pathak was performing. And of course, any Navratri celebration is incomplete without mentioning her. We happened to catch up with her during her visit to Dubai. Let's see what she has to say. Well, all my autumn Dandiya memories are full of lovely, lovely songs by her. It is an honor to interview her today. Falguni, welcome to Z Connect. Such a pleasure to have you. और आप दुबई 5 साल बाद आ रही हैं?
जी 5 साल बाद आ रही हैं.
So, how was your last experience here?
लास्ट एक्सपीरियंस वाज गुड. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला था. और मैंने सुना है कि इस साल लास्ट से भी अच्छा.
Well, I think it must be very exciting for you every year, especially these 2-3 months of the year. Are you like super busy? How does it work?
यस, राउंड द ईयर तो शोज चलते ही रहते हैं, लेकिन ये जो नवरात्र के जो 3 महीने हैं, नवरात्र के 10 दिन, 1 महीना पहले और 1 महीना बाद
आप packed हो. Tell us about the show tomorrow. Any exciting thing that everyone should look forward to?
या स्पेशली तो 5 साल बाद हम लोग आ रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो लोगों को काफ़ी नए नए गाने सुनने मिलेंगे. गुजराती सॉन्ग्स है, पंजाबी सॉन्ग्स है, हिंदी सॉन्ग्स, न्यू बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स.
Wow.
तो मज़ा आएगा लोगों को.
We also caught up with Bollywood singer Shruti Pathak, who was here to mesmerize the crowd of Zabil Park with her beautiful voice. Let's catch up with her and also see what the people celebrating there have to say. Well, I'm at the Oberoi Hotel, and with me is a wonderful voice who's also a songwriter and has been serenading us in Bollywood since a while. Please welcome Shruti Pathak to Z Connect.
Pleasure.
Shruti, it's such a pleasure to have you.
Thank
of
you
course,
so much.
people recognize you from the voice, from the song Mar Jama, that was in fashion.
Yeah.
Do you think that was your breakthrough song that got your attention?
Yes, most definitely. That was my debut song. That was, and I personally feel, not just because it is my song, but I personally feel it's one of the finest songs that came out of Salim Sulaiman House of Music, you know, and I think I was just fortunate to get a song like that, which was tailor-made to make my debut here.
You write music as well, and Shubh Aram, the song from Kai Poche, was written by you.
Yes,
So was this always innately a talent you had?
I always wrote, but I think nobody knew it except Amit Trivedi, who's the composer of Kai Poche, and also he composed this film for Devdi. Right. So he's a very close friend, and he knows that I write. So I wrote the song Paella from Devdi, which I wrote and sang for him. And then there was Sky Piche, Shubharam.
Well, that's brilliant. You've given us some very good songs. And you're in Dubai now for the Dandiya event. You're going to be singing there. You have been singing in Dubai before, right?
I have been here many a times, and most times for the concerts and gigs. But this is going to be my first ever Dandiya Fest in Dubai, so I'm very excited.
What do you think people should expect at this event?
I've arrived yesterday, and I've just been trying to figure out, what's the kind of audience that I'm going to meet, and what would they like. So, we have 3 days to go, and we have a lot more surprises.
Enjoying ourselves. It's nice, it's lovely. Very much India! Thank you, India! The music is awesome, the people here are awesome. We are having fun!
TV actor Jay Bhanushali, who has recently also transitioned onto the big screen, was here to host a Navratri celebration. We caught up with him and found out what is his secret to entertaining the crowd here. Let's meet him. Well, I'm at the Oberoi Hotel Business Bay, and with me is an actor who has charmed us from the small screen to the big one. Please welcome Jay Bhanushali to Zee Connect. Jay, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
It's the first one we are having you on, so it's really nice to have you here.
It's a pleasure, being in the same channel which I've been working for so many years. I've been connected with Zee TV for a very long time.
That's
I
right.
host this show called Dancing the Dance.
Yes.
So first time I'm going international with Zee TV, so it's great.
Do you personally enjoy Dandiya Garba? Are we going to see you do some moves as well?
I love Dandiya. I love Garba. I am basically from a Gujarati family, so I have seen people from my childhood. I've been seeing Dandiya, and actually in India, basically Dandiya used to be a place where all the guys and all the actually family members used to go there, not for Dandiya, but actually to see, to check out, girls for their kids. And the same used to be the vice versa thing,
How true.
Yeah, every time. And that's the reason why after I think I started working, I stopped going because, I thought, my mom
Matchmaking shuru ho
yeah,
jayegi
matchmaking,
wahan pe.
achanak se,
Koi auntie aa jayegi.
suddenly, you see, these couple of ladies coming next to you and saying that, what a beautiful lady. Actually, they're actually, giving you a hint that, look at that girl, and, if you like it, then we can, take it forward. So actually, after, I started working, I stopped, attending Dandiya Fest because that, it used to be very embarrassing. Suddenly you see some random girl next to you, and
They're like,
even the girl has been forced to talk to me, and even I'm been forced. I'm like, what the hell, we are here to play Dandiya. So it's funny, it's quite funny. So this is a nice way, it's interesting.
Well, all the best to you,
Thank you so
and I hope
much.
you continue to entertain us like you are right now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, we actually love Jay Bhanushali and other singers like the Gujarati guys. It's too good. We really enjoyed it.
Yeah, it was really fantastic. The program was awesome, and I love Jay Bhanushali very much.
I must say the singers are of top quality. Jigar Dan Gadvi, especially is an exceptional singer. We are having a blast. Thank you very much for hosting us here. We look forward to next year. Cheers.
Well, these were the Navratri celebrations at Zabil Park. लेकिन हर साल की तरह Country Club also hosts its super popular Navratri celebration जो इस साल हुआ था at Al Mamzar Amphitheatre. Let's check लोगों ने वहाँ पे कितना enjoy किया.
Fantastic. Too much.
It's really beautiful. The arrangements are really completely awesome. And if you compare to the Indian setup and here setup, the audience and the energy, totally flawless. Awesome.
Hey guys, this is our first Navratri in Dubai. We are from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, the hometown of where the Gujarat Navratri is famous all over the world, so we thought we will be missing Navratri this time. But thanks to Country Club and the lovely, fantabulous arrangements here, right? I think we are not going to miss it, and we're going to really rock all the nights and also the 10th day if it's available here.
Well, फिलहाल नवरात्रि की celebrations तो खत्म हो चुकी हैं and I'm sure you've had a great Dashera as well. We are also going to help you ward off the demons of hunger pangs in our next segment, Tiffin Delights, but only after this short break. So stay tuned. Well, we hope you're ready with your pen and paper because gone are the mornings when you'll be wondering about what is that new exciting dish you should be making for your kids' tiffin. Because Chef Sinu is in the house. Let's check what he's cooking for us today. इस सीजन हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं एवरीडे शेफ्स। मैं बात कर रही हूँ लवली मदर्स की जो सुबह उठ के बड़े प्यार से अपने बच्चों का डब्बा बनाते हैं। वेलकम टू टिफिन डिलाइट्स। इस वक्त मैं हूँ एट अर्बन बिस्ट्रो एट दुबई मीडिया सिटी और मेरे साथ है शेफ सिनू who has been kind enough to show us some delicious recipes for the डब्बा। शेफ, वेलकम टू जी कनेक्ट।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी।
आप प्लेजर। तो शेफ बताइए आज हम क्या बना रहे हैं?
आज हम बनाएंगे avocado on toast।
ओके, साउंड्स गुड।
तो इसके लिए हमें चाहिए होगा ब्रेड टोस्ट।
ओके।
तो इसके लिए मैं अभी यहाँ यूज़ कर रहा हूँ मल्टीग्रेन ब्रेड। आप रेगुलर स्लाइस ब्रेड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, आप ब्राउन ब्रेड यूज़ कर सकते हैं। इट्स अप टू यू।
So if you want to make it more healthy, we can use a multi-cereal bread. Okay.
अब क्या होता है कि बच्चों के लिए कभी-कभी आप मल्टीग्रेन टोस्ट देते हैं, they don't like the taste.
That's true.
So they normally prefer that sweeter version of the bread. So you can use that also.
Okay.
Okay. Can I have the toast, chef? So I've got the toast ready.
Okay.
Now we start by putting a small, what do you call, spread on the bread. And I'm going to make the spread with some cream cheese, of course.
Okay. So coming your way is cooked cream cheese.
Cooked cream cheese. You just take 1 spoon of it.
Okay, just 1 spoon.
A little. Again, a little bit of salt.
Anything else?
A little bit of
lemon.
Lemon. So now we just apply this on top of the bread. It helps to keep the bread moist. Of course, taste तो definitely होता है। और दूसरा क्या है, जैसे आप टोस्ट करते हैं ब्रेड वो थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाता है।
Right,
तो अब ये आपने जो ऊपर जो क्रीम चीज लगाया है वो पूरा दिन उसको जो है मोइस्ट रखेगा और of course उसका फ्लेवर लूज होने नहीं देगा।
Right. What do we do next?
Avocados.
Okay. So the best way to check if an avocado is done and ripe is just by pressing a little, and agar you can feel your fingers indenting on the skin, that means the avocado is done, right?
Yes.
Perfect.
It should not be very soft also.
Yeah, not very squishy, but in between.
Yes.
The most squishiest ones you can use for the guacamole dips.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. तो क्या करते हैं, या तो आप स्पून से इसको क्रश कर लीजिए या आप इसको हल्का सा
just finely chop the avocado.
Yes, yeah. So the avocados are done. Okay, now the avocado is roughly chopped. We add a little bit of lemon juice in it.
Right.
Lemon juice डालने से क्या होता है कि उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होता है और डिस्कलरेशन नहीं होता है।
Right, right. नहीं तो ये बहुत जल्दी काला हो जाता है।
Right. ये इसका इतना खूबसूरत ग्रीन कलर है और by the time it reaches the school, it'll become black and.
That's true. That's a very good tip. Okay, done.
And put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Mix it. Make it a little more healthier. I've got some boiled eggs here.
Oh, okay.
That also either you can slice it or you can again chop it the way you want. I prefer to be chopped.
Easier to spread on the bread.
Yes. को भी आप मिला दें avocado के साथ।
This is really a very healthy dish actually.
Yes. This avocado and egg mixture को हम इसको ये जो टोस्ट पे जो क्रीम चीज लगा के रखा हुआ था उसके ऊपर हम जो हमने जो बुक क्रीम लगाया हुआ है इसके ऊपर,
Right.
इसके ऊपर हम जो इसका मिक्सचर को
Right.
लगा देते हैं।
Done.
एक स्लाइस बिना टोस्ट के भी लगा के बनाते हैं,
Okay.
so that you know it's enough for the
Different.
yes. So
Second bread is
these are the
also-
two versions basically.
Right.
One we have toasted, one we have
Not toasted. So if
Yes.
you're in a hurry, toast करने के लिए time नहीं है, you can
Yes.
always also make it like that.
टोस्टिंग पे याद रखिए कि मतलब टोस्टिंग बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं होना चाहिए।
Uh-huh.
उससे क्या होता है कि ब्रेड जो है इवन आफ्टर स्टिल रिमेन्स सॉफ्टर बट वो काफ़ी चूई होने के चांसेस रहते हैं। तो आप उसको स्लाइटली टोस्ट कीजिए क्योंकि बच्चा खाता है, यू नो।
Right, right. So easier for them to eat. उस हिसाब से toast करें.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we have 2 breads ready.
Yes. Now the main dish is ready.
So our 2 toasts are ready.
Yes.
What next?
Of course, the second part of the show.
The
It's-
most exciting side dish part.
Absolutely, the side dish
Okay.
we'll make a small, tiny, beautiful skewer
Okay,
with
lovely.
hook halloumi cheese
Ah,
and cherry tomato.
perfect. Sounds very appetizing. So I'm going to get you.
Halloumi cheese.
The skewers are here.
Absolutely. So now, हलूमी चीज़ नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि क्रमली होता है बाय नेचर, तो उस चीज़ को अवॉइड करने के लिए आप पैन में हल्का सा उसको फ्राई कर ले या हल्का गरम कर ले ओवन में, तो हल्का सॉफ्टन हो जाता है।
And
बहुत
stays
ज़्यादा
together
नहीं, यस,
फिर।
बिकॉज
Okay.
अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा भी गरम कर लें तो देयर आर चांसेस दैट इट बिकम ओवर क्रमली एज वेल।
Right, right.
जैसे हम घर पे पनीर बनाते हैं,
हाँ,
पनीर को थोड़ा हल्का सा आप सॉफ्ट कर लेते हैं, इट्स वेरी इजी टू कट।
That's
गरम
true.
पानी में डालते हैं तो आपने फील किया होगा, ऑल द चीज़ आर वेरी सेम इन
Similar
दैट, यस,
nature.
एब्सोल्युटली। सो वी यूज सम चेरी टोमेटोस
There you go.
and now, like I said, we'll make skewers. ये हो गया स्क्यूअर।
Perfect.
अब इसको हम एज इट इज भी सर्व कर सकते हैं, या आपके पास कोई ड्रेसिंग है, आप नॉर्मल लेमन जूस डालें, थोड़ा सॉल्ट डालें, यू कैन स्टिल हैव इट।
Right.
बट अब मैं इसको हल्का सा पैन फ्राई करूंगा
Okay.
टू जस्ट ऐड ऑन द फ्लेवर अ लिटिल बिट, और लुक भी थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट हो जाता है। ऐड लिटिल बिट ऑफ ऑलिव ऑयल।
Okay.
इसको हम हल्का सा मैरिनेट कर लेते हैं, वेरी लिटिल, एज यू नो जो हलूमी जो है वो बाय नेचर
Already
थोड़ा
salted.
सॉल्टी होता है, तो बहुत ज़्यादा नमक न डालें। पेपर मैंने इसलिए नहीं डाला क्योंकि बच्चे ज़्यादा
बच्चों
प्रेफर नहीं
के लिए।
करते हैं।
Right.
तो जैसे हम अपने लिए घर पे अगर नॉर्मल बनाते हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन ऐड सम पेपर, यू कैन ऐड सम लेमन जूस, यू कैन ऐड इवन सम ड्रेसिंग व्हाट यू हैव, यू कैन ऐड सम
vinegar
चिली सॉस,
dressing
ऑफ
or-
कोर्स वैराइटीज आर a lot.
So we've already added a little olive oil into the pan.
Yes, now the pan is already hot.
Okay.
अब इस skewers को हम थोड़ी प्लेस कर देते हैं।
So ये हल्का कुक होगा तो टेस्ट फ्लेवर भी इसका एनहांस हो जाएगा.
डेफिनेटली इसका टेस्ट भी अच्छा होगा, इसका लुक भी अच्छा होगा। अब देख सकते हैं जैसे कलर हो रहा है, देखिए।
Right.
Just other side of it.
So just turn it around, cook it on all sides.
So जब तक ये कलर होता है, you can just give me the dabba.
Okay.
We can start doing the
Okay, it's dabba time.
arrange कर लेते हैं।
So 2 toasts are actually a perfect idea.
Yes.
And I like the idea of these long toasts. It's fitting very well.
Absolutely. अब इसमें थोड़ा सा कलर भी ऐड करेगा और टेस्ट भी ऐड करेगा ये आपका स्क्यूअर।
Oh, lovely. Looks so good. Wow.
The dabba is ready.
Well, this looks amazing. Moms, you have to see this. If this is the dabba that your kids are taking, then we can guarantee that the tiffins will come back empty, their tummies fuller and faces happier. Chef, thank you so much for showing us this amazing recipe.
Thank you so much.
Well, that is all for this week's episode of Z Connect. Do write into us with your feedback on our Facebook page or on our Twitter page. And if you have missed our episode, you can always log on to YouTube and type in Z Connect Season 5. Me, along with the entire team of Z Network, wish you a very happy Dussehra. Until the next time then, this is Shamali saying goodbye.